Hi, my name is Fred Crick. Welcome to the Bosch Home Comfort Training Series. I want to show you unboxing our product because it's been a problem sometimes when the contractor gets out there or the installer gets out there and says that there's no installation manual within the box. I want to show you something. I'm going to take this box away from the condensing unit, and like most people do is they flip it over and they now make it a trash box. It's a very nice trash box to do all the things that I need to do to put the trash back into it upon installation of the product. But when we open up this, there is no installation manual, and everybody kind of like they start calling people that they know. But I want to show you something that's actually inside the box. The plastic came on the unit, and the installation manual is in between the plastic and the box. So when I take the box off, the installation manual is down inside the box underneath the plastic. So when you're unboxing my unit, be very careful and be very mindful that the installation manual could be inside the box, the trash box now, underneath the piece of plastic.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about reliable and energy-efficient Bosch products, visit bosch-homecomfort.us.